Good morning, students. Today we will start our new lesson, The Elephant and the Cassowary Bird. And this was written by Ruskin Bond. Let us start our lesson. The baby elephant wasn't out of place in our home in North India because India is place where elephants belong, and in any case our house was full of pets brought home by grandfather who worked in forest. But the cassowary bird was different. No one had ever seen such a bird before, not in India. Grandfather had picked it up from Singapore, where he had been given the bird by a rubber planter. Got it from a Dutch trader who had got it from a man in Indonesia. Anyway, it ended up at our home in Dehra and seemed to do quite well in subtropical climate. It looked odd, like a cross between a turkey and an ostrich, but it is bigger than the turkey and smaller than the ostrich, but 5 feet in height. It was not a beautiful bird nor even friendly one, but it had come to stay and everyone was curious about it, especially the baby elephant. Right from the start, the baby elephant took a great interest in the cassowary, a bird unlike any found in the Indian jungles. He would circle round the odd creature and not confidently examine with his trunk the texture of his stumpy wings. And of course, he suspected no evil, and with his childlike curiosity, encouraged him to take liberties which resulted in an unpleasant experience. Thank you.